Hi everyone, let me tell you a magical story of Santa Claus that's filled of both sadness and happiness. It's called The Forgotten Village. Once upon a time, Santa Claus was busy checking his magical list, making sure every child in the world was included for Christmas. But something strange happened. Santa noticed a small village called Frosthaven that hadn't been on his list for years. He realized this village had been forgotten for a long time, and the children there never received Christmas gifts. Santa felt a deep sadness. How could this happen? He thought. Determined to fix this mistake, Santa loaded his sleigh with extra gifts and set off earlier than usual. He knew he had to bring joy back to Frosthaven. When Santa arrived, the village looked cold and lifeless. There were no lights, no decorations, and no laughter. It was as if the spirit of Christmas had vanished. Outside a small house, Santa saw a little boy named Leo, sitting alone, hugging an old, tattered teddy bear. Leo looked up at Santa in surprise and asked, "Who are you?" Santa smiled warmly and said, "I am Santa Claus. I am here to bring Christmas back to your village." Leo's eyes filled with tears. "Santa, we thought you forgot about us. No one here believes in Christmas anymore." Santa knelt down and said softly, "I am so sorry, Leo. It was never my intention to forget you. I have come to make things right." That night, Santa and his elves worked tirelessly. They decorated the village with twinkling lights and ornaments. They set up a giant Christmas tree in the center of the square. And Santa went house to house, leaving gifts for every child. By morning, Frosthaven was transformed. The once quiet village was filled with laughter and joy. Children ran outside, holding their gifts, and families gathered around the glowing Christmas tree. The spirit of Christmas had returned. As Santa prepared to leave, Leo ran up to him and hugged him tightly. "Thank you, Santa," he said. "You have given us a reason to believe again." Santa smiled with a tear in his eye, waved goodbye, and soared into the sky with his sleigh. He felt happy knowing he had restored the magic of Christmas to the forgotten village. Moral of the story: it's never too late to correct a mistake and bring joy through kindness and generosity. And that's the story of how Santa brought Christmas back to Frosthaven. Remember, even a small act of kindness can bring a lot of joy to someone's life. Don't forget to spread the magic of giving this holiday season. See you next time.